Environment refers to the external conditions or surroundings in which a person, plant, or animal exists. It is our basic life support system. It provides the land where we live, the air that we breathe, the food that we eat, and the water that we drink. It includes everything in our immediate surroundings, including all the living and non-living things around us. Environment consists of both the natural environment and the human-made environment. While some objects in the environment, such as plants and trees, mountains, plains, rivers and animals, are created by nature, there are others which are man-made, such as table and chairs, food, cars, buses, clothes, books, roads, etc. The natural environment. It includes all living and non-living things that occur naturally on Earth or some parts of Earth. The natural environment may again be divided into two parts: land or lithosphere. It is the outermost solid crust of the earth on which human beings, plants and animals live. It consists of rocks, minerals and soil. The soil cover supports all kinds of life, human, animal and plants. It provides land for agriculture and human settlement. Landforms like mountains, plateaus, grasslands and plains are found on lithosphere. Water or hydrosphere. Water found on Earth's surface, underground water, water bodies such as the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes, as well as water vapor in the air together make up the hydrosphere. Water supports all sorts of life on Earth. Atmosphere. The air surrounding the Earth forms the atmosphere. It is a mixture of various gases, water vapors, and dust particles. The gases in the atmosphere, such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, help sustain life on Earth. It regulates the temperature of the Earth by protecting it from the heat of the sun during the day and prevents it from freezing at night. The ozone layer in the atmosphere protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Biotic environment or biosphere. The living part of the environment is called biotic component. The biotic environment consists of all living things in an ecosystem. All forms of life, including all plants, animal, fungi, and microbes in an environment, are said to be its biotic component. Biosphere. Living beings, both plant and animals, exist only in the narrow belt of about 13 km up to a height of 6 km in the atmosphere and up to a depth of 7 km in the oceans. This narrow zone where land, water, and air come in contact with each other is called biosphere. It is the biosphere which makes Earth a unique planet. The vast variety of life on Earth, from human beings, huge animals, trees and plants, to small microscopic organisms, is known as biodiversity. The two major groups surviving in the biosphere, the plant and the animal kingdom, differ from place to place. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is defined as any community of living and non-living things that live together. The plants and animals found in a particular location are referred to as an ecosystem. Plants and animals depend on each other for survival and help sustain one another. Any disruption to an ecosystem is harmful to all organisms within it. Both biotic and abiotic factors are also related to each other, and if one factor is changed, it can affect the entire ecosystem. Human environment. Human environment is the environment created by interaction of human beings with natural environment, how people depend on the environment, how people adapt and change the environment. It includes man-made things like roads, railways, houses, flyovers, furniture, etc. How do people adapt themselves to their environment? They eat what is available in their environment. People in coastal areas eat rice and fish. People living in areas suitable for growing wheat mostly eat wheat. People wear clothes according to the climate of the place where they live. How do people modify or change the environment to suit their social, cultural, or religious needs? Whereas early human beings lived on trees and caves, gradually human beings learned to change their environment. They built houses, cleared jungles for timber and agriculture, invented machines for industrialization, and built roads, dams, railways, factories, and so on. Environmental pollution. To satisfy the needs of the increasing population, human beings started exploiting and polluting the atmosphere and disturbed the natural balance. Animals killed for food. Forests cleared to build houses, townships, and industry. Indiscriminate use of minerals, coal, water, wood, etc. has led to their depletion. Fumes from cars and industry are polluting the air, causing global warming. Untreated liquid waste from the factories is polluting our rivers. Unplanned deforestation is causing ecological imbalance and climate change. Depletion of ozone layer, which prevents harmful UV rays from reaching the Earth's atmosphere.